Myself, Pathare Nivrutti from Bahadur Narana Borake College, Rampur, District Ahmednagar, State Maharashtra, conducted by Raiat Shikshan Samstha. Today we will learn 11th Science Physics, topic number 11, electric current through conductors. In this topic, we will see what is meant by resistor, series combination of resistors, parallel combination of resistors, and what will be their equivalent values of resistance, either they are connected in series combination or parallel combinations. First of all, we will see what is meant by resistor. Now, resistor is a semiconductor device. Resistor is a semiconductor device and it is used in different types of electronic circuits, different complicated IC circuits, etc. So, what is the function of resistors? What is the symbol of resistors? Now, resistor is shown by these symbols, and now it is always denoted by R. When an electric current are flowing through this resistor, when an electric current are flowing through the resistor, then what will happen? The resistance offers across the resistors. We know the resistor is a semiconductor device, and when an electric current are flowing through the resistors, the resistor opposes the flow of current through it. When the value of resistance, value of resistors are more highest, then the low value of current are flowing through it by Ohm's law. That is, Ohm's law is R equal V upon I. Mathematical equation of Ohm's law is R equal V upon I. So, from this equation, if the value of resistance of resistor is high, then the current are flowing through it smaller. So, the resistor is made of number of values. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. So, there are number of different of values. Resistors is a small values, that is from 1 ohm to 1000 ohms. Now, the resistor is connected in series combinations, in parallel combinations, and now find out their equivalent resistance across these combinations. So, we shall study one by one. So, first, combination of series or a series combination of resistors. Series combination of resistors. Now, we will consider here number of resistors is 2. That is, 2 resistors are connected in series, means they are connected one after another. Suppose this is R1, another resistor is R2 connected. So, that is one after another is connected to each other. It means series connections. Thus, here R1 and R2 are connected in series, and now across this the series combination, a cell is connected, battery is connected. Battery consists of two poles, positive and negative. Cell consists of, or battery consists of two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminals, and now here is the EMF of that cells. Now, when an electric current are flowing through the R1 and R2, that is, the battery provides current I flowing through the resistance R1 through R2 and in the circuits. So, there is produces the potential difference across the series combination phi. Now, this is the potential difference phi produces across the combination of R1 and R2. Also, the same electric current flows through each resistors. Same current flowing through R1 and R2 in a series combination. The supply voltage between two resistors R1 and R2 is V1 and V2. That is, V1 is across R1 and V2 is across R2 when an electric current are flowing through each resistors. Now, the supply voltage here divided, supply voltage is divided in the circuits and the current remains the same. The current remains the same in all series connections. However, also if here connected another resistor, say suppose R3, R4, R5 and number of resistors, then the current is same flowing through each of resistors and the potential difference across each resistors is different, like R3 potential difference is V3, R4 potential difference is V4, and suppose number of resistors, that is Rn, the corresponding potential difference is Vn. So, for the simplicity, we have to consider here only two resistors are connected in series combination. Now, we will find out its equivalent resistance according to Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, we know Ohm's law, resistance R is equal to V upon I, resistance R equal V upon I. So, for R1, here V1 upon current I, R2 is equal to V2 upon current I. It means current is constant, that is charge flowing through each resistor is constant and the potential difference will vary, that is V1 across R1, V2 across R2. So, we can find out R V1 equal I into R1, V2 equal I into R2. Now, here the total voltage supplied by the cells total voltage supplied by the cell is V equal V1 plus V2. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So substitute equation 1 in equation 2, then we get V1 V is equal to V1 I R1 plus V2 equal I R2 plus I R2. Now take common I, so in bracket R1 plus R2. So this is the relation V equal I in bracket R1 plus R2. Or we can write it V equal I into RS. RS stands for series combination of resistors. Suppose number next equation 3, V equal I into RS. Now RS is equal to R1 plus R2. Thus the equivalent resistance in series combination is equal to, we can write RS is equal to R1 plus R2. Now RS is the equivalent resistance in series combination of the circuits. Now if there are number of resistors are connected, number of resistors are connected in a series, number of resistors, that is R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6 and Rn. So we can find out their equivalent resistance, that is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus dash dash plus R suffix n. Then we can find out its equivalent resistance. Rs is equal to series combination, R is equal to sum of all resistance, that is Ri. Here I equal 1 to n. Now by using these equations we can find out the number of resistors are connected in series combination. For simplicity, we have to take here two resistors R1 and R2 and find out their equivalent resistance, that is Rs equal R1 plus R2. So next point, parallel combination of resistors. In parallel combination, the resistors are connected. If there are number of resistors R1, R2, R3, R4 are connected in parallel combinations, so by equivalent resistance we can find out the parallel combination of all resistance. So parallel combination of resistors Suppose R1 and R2 are connected here parallel, and across this parallel combination a battery is connected. We know battery have two terminals, that is positive terminal and negative terminal, and E is the EMF of the battery. When an battery is connected across this combination, then the current I flowing through these parallel combinations, but the current divides into two paths. Current divides into two paths, that is, it divides I1 and I2, where I1 is flowing through R1 and I2 is flowing through R2. Now, in the parallel combinations, resistors are connected in such a way that the same voltage is across the combination is applied, and the current flowing through each resistor is different, that is I1 and I2. Suppose another resistors are connected R3, then there is flowing, the current is I3, I4 through R3, R4, and so on. But the potential difference V is same or constant across these combinations. So, in a parallel combination, the total current I is divided into I1 and I2, but the voltage is same across this combination. So we can write I equal I1 plus I2, that is total current I equal divides into two branch I1 and I2, that is I1 through is R1 and I2 is flowing through resistor R2. Now, by using Ohm's law, we can find out resistance across each resistors. So, by Ohm's law, resistance R1 is equal to V upon I1, R2 is equal to V upon I2, or I1 is equal to V upon R1, I2 is equal to V upon R2. Suppose number 1 equation, number 2 equations. Substitute the values of I1, I2 and find out the equivalent resistance. And here V upon Rp, that is parallel combination, equivalent resistance V upon Rp is equal to current I. Now this is the equation number 2. So we will get I equal V upon Rp is equal to I1 V upon R1 plus V upon R2. On both sides the similar terms will get cancelled, V will get cancelled, so therefore we can write 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Next number, equation 3. Now this is the equivalent resistance. That is, Rp is the equivalent resistance across R1 and R2. Now we can take its reciprocals. That is R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2, or Rp is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Now this is the equivalent resistance. Rp equal R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. By using these equations, we can find out the equivalent resistance across the combination of the circuit. If number of resistors are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is given by the relation number 3, 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus dash 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 plus 1 upon R suffix n. That is number of resistors. So in this way we can find out their equivalent resistance in a parallel combinations, or in summation form we can write 1 upon Rp is equal to sum of 1 by Ri, here I equal 1 to n. Yes, in summation form. One upon Ri, I equal 1 to n. Now the next number is equation 5.